Hi. I often get asked for ways to pump up the value of on-site medical meetings and symposia. Increasing attendee value is a great way to get advocates to your event, and one of the easiest ways to do that is to tech up your meeting. With the increasing use of smartphones and tablets by the medical community, giving your advocates the benefit of networking apps can significantly increase the value they receive from coming to your next event. In this video, I want to review 3 of the most popular conference networking apps. So let's get to it. The first, with my strongest recommendation, is EventPilot. EventPilot is a free networking app that can be downloaded from the App Store right onto your iPhone, iPad, or Windows mobile device. Once your attendee opens the app, they'll plug in your conference code and hit Submit. The app will then bring them to your pre-installed menu screen, from which they can take a look at your schedule, program agenda, speaker bios, maps of the facility, and event particulars. Note that these screens are all branded to your specs. If they choose Schedule, for example, a color-coded screen appears that can lead them to more detail. An additional screen can give them a rundown of your speakers, and individual bios can be pulled up at any time. A more detailed color-coded agenda awaits them under the Schedule function. Notice the ability to add sessions, meetings, and even export the schedule via email. These functions would be reserved for you, of course, as the administrator. So that's EventPilot. I might add that EventPilot has personnel devoted to helping medical education event planners and pharma folks, so they understand our world and make it easy to set up and customizable to our event. Now, EventPilot will let your attendees network with others at your event, but I want to use the other apps to show those functions to save some time here. Bizzaboo is another free conference networking app that's designed to work in concert with LinkedIn, giving your attendees the freedom to exchange their LinkedIn bios with others in attendance. Once your attendees download Bizzaboo, they'll be taken to a screen that contains a badge for your event. Once they select the event, a branded page is served up where they can see their fellow attendees and any social media activity generated by them. Bizzaboo automatically collates my LinkedIn contacts with those in attendance, so I can see who's there that I might already know. In addition, Bizzaboo allows your attendees to invite others at the meeting to get in touch and exchange LinkedIn profiles. I wouldn't suggest the lipstick kiss, though. Details of your agenda, just like all the apps here, are available to your attendees with bios of each speaker available as well. And like all these apps, Bizzaboo is well integrated with Twitter. Our last app is particularly popular at European conferences. Oleapark is very similar to Bizzaboo and having the same features as EventPilot, but with a particular strength in its integration with Twitter. Branded pages are available for your event as well as individual bios for all in attendance. This screen shows the strength of Oleapark with its Twitter connection, allowing everyone to connect, communicate, and collaborate on all the goings-on at your event. So, those are my top 3 picks for networking apps. Remember, setup with each of these is quick and easy, as well as customizable to your brand and your event. And the download is free to your attendees. With medical and pharmaceutical personnel taking on the iPad and iPhone at a faster pace than the general public, I believe adding features like these are going to become the de facto standard in medical meetings worldwide. So don't miss out. I'm Paul Pashot with the Sarah Group. Thanks for watching.